In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Shopify with Zoho. So I'm going to show you how you can work with these two platforms together. And for that, you need to be signed in to these accounts on one page or on one browser. Then you want to go to the link in the description or search for Zapier yourself. And this brings you to this website where you have to create an account. And Zapier is basically an integration tool where we can integrate different platforms with each other. So we can do that with Shopify and with Zoho as well. And here we can create a Zap. And let me explain this. Basically what happens, we can set a trigger on Shopify and then Zapier tells Zoho what Zoho has to do. So we can select a trigger. So we can type in Shopify here. And when something happens on Shopify, there should be happening something, something on Zoho happening as well. And that's what we can set up right here. So let's say when a new order comes up, and now we have to sign in with Shopify to connect. But first, let me show you how it works with the action. Here we can type in Zoho and we can choose an event as well. So let's say when a new order is placed on Shopify, we can choose what will happen on Zoho then. So let's say we can convert lead. So when a new order comes in Shopify, the action on Zoho CRM is a convert lead. So we obviously also have to connect with Zoho with the Zoho account, which you can do right here, with Shopify as well right here. As you can see, we have to type in our Shopify store, which is this for me. Actually, it's a test store. Let me type it in just like that. Hit just continue. And there we go. Now we can basically install this app, and we have connected with Zapier. So Zapier now knows your account, and they can send the message to Zoho. You have to do the same thing on Zoho, and then you can set it up. And that's basically how you can integrate it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.